This is a review of the Reason Clothing Scarface hoodie that I would highly recommend. This hoodie that you can see here, the white and black contrast looks really amazing. I love that, and it's also cloth. It's super soft and super comfortable. That when I wear it, it's very soft, and also it's good for the winter times. Another thing I like about it is that if you can see very carefully that there's a zip, so it's not like a hoodie where you pretty much jump on top of it and wear it. This does unzip, which I'm gonna show you that you could pretty much zip it and pretty much it unzips like that. So that's one of the huge pluses and one of the things I like about the Scarface Reason Clothing hoodies, that you could pretty much unzip it and have something on underneath of that. And that's one of the things I like about it. Overall, this hoodie is something that I would highly recommend. I would definitely recommend it if you are a fan of Scarface and you want a good quality lightweight jacket. Then this is probably one of the best ones, and I would definitely recommend it.